Good day. I welcome you all to All Glory Tech Ace. Today I will be configuring SSH part of this network. Please do well to subscribe to All Glory Tech Ace. In the last video tutorial, we were able to configure the trunk part of this network. In this video tutorial, we will be configuring the SSH part of this network. We have VLAN 40 configured on this switch and also on this switch. VLAN 40 is a management VLAN, and the objective of creating a management VLAN is to manage the network remotely. So this particular PC belongs to management VLAN, and this particular PC also belongs to management VLAN. Let's check the configuration on this switch. Okay, so we can see that on this particular switch, no port is assigned to VLAN 40, which is the management VLAN. So in that case, in the last video tutorial, we were not able to assign this particular port to management VLAN. So we will use that. We'll quickly do that. Assigning this PC belongs to management VLAN. So this port is supposed to be assigned to VLAN 40, which is management VLAN. So let's quickly do that. Switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 40. So do show VLAN brief to check. Okay, so we can see that port 5 is assigned to management VLAN now. Okay, so let's now configure SSH. So in order to configure SSH on this particular switch, first thing we will do is that we are going to assign IP address to interface VLAN 40, which is meant for management VLAN. So we will assign IP address to interface VLAN 40. .192.168.40.2. Let's use .2, and then subnet mask 255.255.0. No shut, meaning no shutdown. Exit. So I haven't configured that. Let's check if we can ping interface VLAN 40 from this PC, which belong to VLAN 40. Let's check. Okay, this shows that interface VLAN 40 is reachable from this PC. So from there, let us configure the virtual terminal access for telnet. Let us configure the virtual terminal access for telnets by using the command line VTY 015. Password Cisco 123. Login and so let us check now. Let us check that which we have configured by saying telnet 192.168.40.2. Let's see. Okay, fine. Cisco 123, which is the password now. We've been able to log in successfully to the switch. Let's check something further. You can see that we could not go beyond that level because we have not configured enable secret on the switch. So let's go ahead to configure enable secret on the switch. So let's check. If we will be able to go further now, you can see that we can log in. Now we've logged in successfully into the enable mode. So let's go to config T. Now we are able to log in successfully into this particular switch from this PC. So let's replicate the same thing to the second switch. Interface VLAN 40. We assign the IP address to interface virtual interface VLAN 40 192.168.40.3 because we've already used .2 in the first switch. So we will use .3 to avoid IP clash. No short. Exit. Now, the next thing to configure is virtual terminal access for telnet. So using the command line VTY 015. Password Cisco 123. Login and config T. So let's enter enable secret. We've learned that if we don't enter enable secret command, we will not be able to access enable mode of the switch. So let's save. Now let's check our configuration from this switch. Let's check. Telnet 192.168.40.3. Okay. Okay. Enable. Okay. Okay. Good. Good. Now, from this particular PC, we've been able to access this particular switch. Now let's check if we will be able to access this particular switch from this particular PC. Remember that this particular port had been configured as a trunk, and this particular port also had been configured as a trunk. Hence, we should be able to access this particular switch, the configuration of this particular switch from this PC. In like manner also, from this particular PC, we should be able to access the configuration of this particular switch. So let's check from here. Let's try to access this particular switch from this PC using the IP address of that virtual interface. Telnet 192.168.40.2, which is the IP address of the virtual interface of this PC. Good. Enter wrong password. Fine. Enable Cisco 123. Now, successfully, we were able to access this particular PC from this particular switch. We were able to access this particular switch from this particular PC. So in like manner also, if you log into this particular PC, you will be able to access this particular switch because of the trunk function that has been configured on this port and on this port. So that is the end of this video tutorial. Thank you. Please subscribe to All Glory Tech Ace for solution to all IT and networking issue. Please subscribe to this channel. Thank you.